BB Shortcut. 3 easy blow-dry looks for short hair with BB team member Taylor. Look 1. Sleek and sculpted. Start with damp hair and apply your favorite gel. Beginning with the front, smooth hair back, following your brush with the blow dryer. Use additional gel if needed to secure flyaways. Dry completely or leave slightly damp for a wet look. Look 2. Undone. Start with damp hair and apply your favorite texture product. Use your hands to twist and squeeze in the product for undone texture. Now begin to blow dry on low as you continue to work and twist sections, creating more texture. Once dry, finish shaping in your desired style. Look 3. Voluminous texture. Start with damp hair and apply your favorite volumizing product. Begin blow drying on high, using your hands to direct your hair up. From here, using tension, lift your hair up and out in the opposite direction to encourage volume. Once you're nearly dry, blow dry the sides down and turn off the blow dryer. Finish by dry shaping and styling to your desired look. And that's a BB Shortcut.